Slovenia is a wine-growing country with a rich tradition of winemaking that dates back thousands of years. The country is divided into three main wine-growing regions, Podravje, Posavje and Primorska, each offering unique wine varieties and flavors. One of the most celebrated days in Slovenia's wine calendar is St. Martin's Day on November 11th, when grape juice is traditionally transformed into wine. In this video, we will focus on the Kras wine region, part of the Primorska area, which is renowned for its Teran wine, made from the indigenous Refošk grape. Join us as we explore the vibrant culture, landscapes and flavors of this extraordinary region. Vina Kras is a renowned winery located in the heart of the Kras region in Slovenia, an area famous for its distinctive karst landscape and rich winemaking heritage. The winery is best known for producing Teran PTP, a protected wine made from the indigenous Refošk grape, grown in the unique red soil of the region. With a deep commitment to tradition and quality, Vina Kras combines centuries-old techniques with modern winemaking practices to create wines that embody the spirit of the karst terroir. In addition to Teran, Vina Kras offers a variety of wines that showcase the diversity of the region, including refreshing white wines and elegant blends. Their dedication to sustainable practices and authenticity has made them a respected name in the Slovenian wine industry and a proud ambassador of the Kras region's winemaking excellence. Štanjel is a picturesque village in the Kras region of Slovenia, known for its rich history, stunning architecture and breathtaking views of the karst landscape. Perched on a hilltop, Štanjel is one of the oldest settlements in the region, with its roots dating back to Roman times. The village is characterized by its narrow stone streets, charming houses, and the impressive Štanjel castle, which has been beautifully preserved over centuries. A highlight of Štanjel is the Ferrari Garden, a serene and romantic space designed by renowned architect Max Fabiani, featuring terraced gardens, a reflecting pool, and stunning vistas. Štanjel is also a cultural hub, hosting art exhibitions, traditional events, and culinary experiences that showcase the flavors of the Kras region. With its unique blend of history, nature, and culture, Štanjel offers visitors an unforgettable journey into Slovenia's heritage. Listen, you will love this. An OSMICA is a traditional wine and culinary event in the Kras region of Slovenia, deeply rooted in the area's history and culture. Dating back to the Austro-Hungarian Empire, it allowed farmers to sell their homemade wine and food directly to the public for 8 days a year, hence the name OSMICA, meaning 8 in Slovenian. Today, OSMICAs offer a unique experience where visitors can enjoy local specialties such as Teran wine, prosciutto, dry-cured ham, sausages, and other homemade delicacies in a warm, rustic setting, often within a winemaker's home or cellar. These events celebrate tradition, hospitality, and the authentic flavors of the Kras, making them a beloved part of Slovenia's cultural heritage.
Domov se ne gremo. Za